In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Groupon. First, open your browser and search for Groupon. Type the word Groupon into the search bar, then press enter. On most browsers, you will see a list of search results with the Groupon logo near the top. The logo usually shows green text on a light background. Take a second to confirm you see Groupon in the page titles so you know the search worked correctly. Now, click the correct link. Look for the official Groupon result that usually reads Groupon and may mention deals or coupons in the description. Avoid any result marked as an ad if you want to be sure you are going to the main site. When you click the correct result, the Groupon homepage will open. You should now see a busy page with large banners and deal images, plus a menu bar across the top. Next, click Sign In or Sign Up located in the top right corner of the screen. On the desktop site, this text sits near the cart icon and may be slightly smaller than the main menu. When you click it, a panel or page appears asking how you want to continue. You might see options for signing in if you already have an account and options for creating a new one. From there, click to sign up or log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook. In this example, we will explore the fourth option, which is using your email and clicking Continue. Look for the field where you can type your email address directly. Below or beside it, there should be a Continue button. Enter the email you want connected to Groupon, then click Continue. The page will update and tell you that a code is being sent to that email address. Enter data. After that, click Email me a sign-up code to the chosen email. On screen, you may see a button with similar wording confirming that Groupon should send a one-time code. Once you click it, Groupon sends a short numeric code to the inbox of the email you just entered. A new field or page appears, ready for you to enter that code. If you do not see the message yet, it can take a few moments to arrive or may land in your spam folder. At this point, type your name, the code, and click Sign Up to finalize your registration profile. In the name field, enter the name you want associated with your Groupon account, since this can appear on your account settings and emails. Then type the code you received, exactly as shown, into the verification box. Finally, click the Sign Up button. The page will refresh and you will now be signed in with your new Groupon account, often shown by your name or profile icon in the top right corner. You have now created a brand new Groupon account using your email and sign-up code. If this walkthrough helped you get into Groupon, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.